What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and are interested in learning how to make money online, I share tons of different methods on a daily basis. So please consider subscribing to the channel and join the team. And I will also highly appreciate if you could smash the like button on this video if you have gotten any value. In this video, I'll be sharing a method in making $5 per video and photo that you post online. That's right, $5, guys. Let's jump into my computer. Alright guys, so the website is called FOAP, F-O-A-P, and so get your phones out. It's time to make extra money with your photos and videos, right? You can download the app on your iOS or Android device. And how does it work? You simply upload your videos and photos and you earn cash. How amazing is that, guys? It can't get any easier than this, and the photos are pretty simple. I will share that just momentarily here. So when a brand or agency or just anyone who finds your work outstanding and you get to take part in missions for brands with hundreds of dollars. So there's other perks in just posting your videos, right, to make money. And let's look. And guys, you can get started right away. FOAP is a great way to turn your videos and pictures into dollars. There are tons of people on this platform, 3 million people as you can see here. And it's a great way to earn extra cash, right? You just upload it and you forget it pretty much, right? And you just collect the money. I'll share the payment method just in a moment, and also how much each photo would pay you. So I'm just gonna play this quick video here just to give you a better understanding of how this whole thing works. So let's click on this.
And next tonight, our Real Money team is back. Americans take 80 billion digital photos every year, from selfies to sunsets. ABC's Gio Benitez shows us how to put that money in your pocket.
It's the power of the smartphone pic. Ellen captured it with that celebrity selfie, retweeted a record 3 million times. But we've all got them, those pictures right in our pockets. Just look at the photos viewers send to World News every day on Flickr. Selfies, snowmen, sunsets, and it turns out all those memories we make could make us money too. Meet Deanna Valeros.
Good to see you.
Each camera click on her phone worth cash.
You've made what? More than $300 off this.
Right.
Deanna's selling her sports, nature, even breakfast photos through a free app called FOAP. Big brands buy them to use in their ad campaigns.
And it's easy. You get that perfect shot, you post it online, and if someone buys the photo, well, the app splits the cash with you 50-50.
Every photo.
There you have it, guys. So let's look into how much each photo would cost, right, or people would pay for on this platform. And there are over 40 million photos for commercial use on this website. So let's look into how much each photo can make, right? Let's click on the first one here. So as you can see, this photo goes for $10. In fact, all the photos and videos on this website goes for $10, and you get to keep 50% of that. So $5 would be yours. So let's go back, check out another photo. Look at this one. Okay, this goes for $10 again. Back. $10. Boy using computer. It could be anything, guys. Any type of video. No. Two people jumping off a boardwalk, right? So you get how this website works now. So let's go over to SimilarWeb and see how much traffic this website actually gets, right? So let's go down here. So in the month of December, this website has gotten 110,000 visits, right? So that's insane amount of people that are coming onto the site on a monthly basis. And here, 100,000 people. 110 once again in the month of October. September, 140,000 people, guys. That's crazy amount of people. And then traffic by country, United States leads the way here with 28.56, Brazil, Indonesia, China, Iran, right? So this website is legit. From the numbers, you can see that they're getting a lot of visits, and you can easily post your photos and videos, right? Simple videos, right? And photos, and they don't really have to be like high class or like high quality, as long as it meets the minimum threshold, right? For a brand or agency, or a content creator can just purchase. I might be wondering, why would anyone purchase your photos, right? So let's look at Shutterstock here and see how much a photo would cost, like on demand, right? So 2 images would cost $30, right? So would it not be cheaper for someone to buy off FOAP, right? It only costs $10 on this website, and it's theirs to keep, right? So that's why FOAP is a better option for any content creators or brands and agencies, right? So, and then for subscription based on Shutterstock, it goes for $50 per month, right? For 10 images, guys. 10 images. That's crazy. And finally, let's look at how you would get paid after you make a sale, right? So sold the photo, how do I get the money, right? So FOAP uses PayPal to pay photographers, right? So to add your PayPal, you will just go into the app. They give instructions on how to do that on Android and iOS. So there you have it, guys. So start posting those videos and photos that you have in your phones and start making $5 for each sale you make. You can post as many as you would like. There's no limit, and this is an amazing opportunity to make passive income, right? With no upfront cost. This is free and it's available at the moment. Go over to foap.com, sign up as a creator, get your account going, and start making $5, like I said. And on that note, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Peace.
Develop the ability to act. Take action. Not hasty if it isn't required, but don't lose much time. Here's the time to act. When the idea is hot and the emotion is strong. That's the time to act. You say, Mr. Ron, I'd like to have a library like yours. See, if you feel strong about that, what you got to do is get the first book and then get the second book. Before the feeling passes and before the idea gets dim, action pronto, action immediate, action as soon as possible. Because if you don't, here's what happens. We call it the law of diminishing intent. We intend to when the idea strikes us. We intend to when the emotion is high. But now if you don't translate that into action fairly soon, now the intent starts to diminish. And a month from now it's cold. A year from now, can't be found.